So I was, living off of Link, unemployment, all the resources that I could. And a friend of mine, which I believe was Fumi K, told me about the mother-daughter duo in St. Louis. And I was riding dirty. I'm talking plates expired, insurance expired. I went to St. Louis, 3 times to take courses with you all?
Sure did.
Dirty. And came back, and I didn't have the overhead to go directly into independent claim adjusting. Chicago's a little bit of a different monster because they don't require a license to work for, say, like Allstate as an adjuster. A lot of them were requiring like bachelor's degrees and things like that, and I don't have that. So in the shuffle of applying for those jobs, I ended up, how you do on LinkedIn and Career Builder, you put in insurance, you get just this influx of different careers that you could go into.
Mm-hmm.
But ultimately, that's what made me say, okay, I'm gonna go out here and chase this. My friend just told me about it. It sounded good. I'm like, I could be independent. I'm gonna pay for this licensing. I'm kind of blowing my savings to come out there and get licensed, because again, I wasn't working and I was living on very humble means of unemployment and Lincoln stuff. But I've always been the type of person to just take a chance on myself, to bet on myself. I've always been that person. I've never been scared to just get up and change course of action if I felt like it was the best thing for me.